Hello children, welcome to Panch Pataka. Today we are going to discuss about reading and making maps. How do you find address when you go to a new place?
Hey, what is your name? My name is Ramesh. Can you tell me the address of post office? Yeah, sure. Go straight and take left. You will find the post office on your right. Thank you very much.
If anybody asks address, generally we say go straight and turn right or turn left. How do you ask address if people don't understand your language? Let us see an example here.
I'm a Tamil. I'm a Tamil.
नहीं तो एयरपोर्ट ही था ना
Airport.
फिर आप इधर से जाओ आगे से आप किसी में भी
अन्ना बड़ा.
आपने
अन्ना
घूमना
बड़ा.
है यहाँ
अन्ना
पे।
बड़ा. अन्ना बड़ा.
मतलब घूमना है
अन्ना बड़ा.
यहाँ
अन्ना.
पे।
अन्ना.
तो एक काम करो
Marhaba, istro lankin marhaba. Istro lankin hai main.
I don't know
istro
your
lankin hange.
Hey,
Rangla.
I don't know this language.
Marhaba, istro lankin.
No, I don't know.
Istro lankin istro. Marhaba, istro.
Not
lankin.
I don't know.
Just
टेम्पो पकड़िए
la.
दिस टाइप व्हीकल इसको पकड़ लेते हैं, इसमें बैठ जाइए। अमोसी
लाम दो. और एयरपोर्ट है और लाम नहीं है.
महाराष्ट्र का हो।
It is very difficult to find address when people don't understand our language. We can overcome this problem by using maps. Let us see an example here. Raj and Somu are good friends. On his birthday, Raj invited Somu to his home and sent a route map mentioning how to reach his home. Look at the route map carefully and try to answer these questions. Can Somu reach Raj's home? How many turns does Somu has to take to reach Raj's home? In which direction does Somu walk? What is the distance from bus stop to Raj's home? By observing this map, we can answer first two questions easily, but we cannot answer next two questions. Because the directions and distance are not mentioned in this route map, it is hard to answer next two questions. Do you think the buildings shown on this route map are in actual size? The buildings on this route map are not in original size. They are reduced and drawn to give a better idea of the route. Raj mentioned the distance and directions on the route map. It will be easy for Somu to reach Raj's home. This route map can only called a sketch. If Raj mentioned directions and distance in this route map, it will be called a map. A sketch is a rough drawing, while a map is drawn to scale. Map gives us much more detail of a place than a sketch. Map has much more accuracy than a sketch.